Sweden was the first developed country in the world to import trash from foreign countries. In 2019, Sweden's trash recycling rate reached 99%, and 49% of garbage was incinerated to provide heating and electricity at a lower price. However, the waste reduction policies in Sweden, including the restricted recycling policy, reduced the country's total amount of waste, accounting for 20% of the incinerator's capability. To reduce incinerators' operating costs and provide more energy at a lower price to urban residents, Sweden started importing waste from foreign countries. China began to import trash in the 1980s and once imported the most trash of all countries. Nevertheless, importing solid waste will be banned in China from January 1st, 2021. Why does China prohibit importing foreign waste? In the 1980s, under the Reform and Opening Up policy, there was rapid growth in China's manufacturing and construction industries. Meanwhile, the country also lacked raw materials, such as plastic, metal, and paper. To address this shortage, China began importing processed solid waste from developed countries. There was a huge demand for low-cost raw materials among many manufacturing enterprises, resulting in the rise of imported foreign solid waste over the years. Along with China's industrial development, the scale of the raw material industry expanded, the variety of goods continued to grow, and their quality gradually improved. At the end of 2019, the self-sufficiency rate of 19 steel products was over 100%, while the remaining 3 was 99%. The steel demand was basically met in China. In the meantime, steel production in China accounted for 50% of the global output, compared with less than 0.1% at the founding of the People's Republic of China. Steel for building high-speed rails in China has been domestically produced since 2009. Self-sufficiency of general plastics was also achieved in 2018. Therefore, to a large extent, China's reliance on importing solid waste has plunged significantly. Since 2017, China has carried out reform on the management system of importing solid waste. The variety of imported waste dropped gradually, bringing a steady decrease in the total amount of imported solid waste. However, environmental issues emerged along with China's economic growth and urban development. China has vowed to build an environmentally friendly society. If the problems caused by imported waste were not addressed, harmful substances would seep into the ground, considerably damaging the soil, water sources, and the ecosystem. Therefore, China decided to prohibit importing waste, which is essential for environmental protection. China is not the only country restricting the import of solid waste. In 2019, Malaysia returned 450 tons of imported waste to Japan, the US, and others. The Philippines insisted on sending 69 containers with illegitimate imported waste back to Canada. Thailand will ban imported plastic waste from 2021. As for China, prohibiting importing foreign waste is not an ultimate goal. It aims to raise the recycling rate and the recycling industry's standard and efficiency to better protect nature. One question remains: when developing countries no longer import waste, how will the trash on this planet be handled?